you want to sing a song together?
Yeah.
Okay, let's sing it. Okay. Don't worry. Sing it with me.
Don't worry
About a thing.
Don't worry about a thing. Me too. Look. Look.
Sing it with me.
Okay, I do it.
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
I'm doing it too.
You
Mom.
sing!
I'm doing it, Mom.
I know, I hear you, big head. Where you going? Say, every little thing is gonna be alright. Ryan, you were singing a minute ago. Say, don't worry. Ryan. What is this? Oh, that's you. Oh, whoa. Say it, Ryan. Say, don't worry. Ryan. Say, don't worry.
Don't worry
About a thing.
Me too.
'Cause every little thing
It's gonna be alright.
is gonna be alright.
The house.
Ryan, where are you?
In a tree house.
You don't want to sing with me anymore?
Which one? No. And then I can sing with you.
You don't want to sing with me anymore?
I do. I do.
Hey, you're going to squash your brother.
Mommy.
Okay, sing with Mommy.
I'll do it.
Where you going?
Go now. Excuse me, I want to go out. Help.
You guys are going to get squashed.
I'll lay down.
I want to lay down too. You want to lay down with me?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry too.
Look, he's gonna squash us.
No, he's not. You going to sing with me?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to say?
Don't worry.
Bad thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. 3 little birds. You don't know this part, do you? Who is that? Did you see Mommy in there too?
What? Sissy. Where's me?
Well, you're not under the camera anymore. There you are. You can't see yourself.
Person. Let me see.
Hello.
Where's me?
Hi. Hi, puppy. Where you going? You gonna play?
Me too. See me. I see me too.
You're too close. Whoa. Oh. Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm playing.
Looks like you're laying on the floor.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I want to see.
You can't see yourself if you're on camera. Who is that, Ryan?
I need to see.
Who is that?
This is good.
Get some dessert? That's not who that is. Who was this on camera?
Attila.
You're on camera now. Are you on candid camera? Can you give me a kiss? No, I don't want to go to my mouth. Give me a kiss.
I'm kissing.
Mwah, thank you. Mwah. Mwah. Ouch. Ouch. What are you doing? What are you doing, Bobby? Bobby! 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 I see you. I see you. Are you ignoring me?
Yeah.
Yeah? What? Where's my dinner, Ryan? Where's my dinner?
No.
I thought you were going to make me some peanut butter and jelly.
Also, let's take it down.
Make me some peanut butter and jelly. Okay?
Also, put it down.
Where is it? Where is it? Where'd it go?
I'm right here.
Looks like a bunch of toys on the ground. I don't see any peanut butter and jelly.
I'm gonna make some.
Where you going? You got my juice? It's my juice.
Mine.
No, my juice. You're too chubby. Why are you so chubby?
Here, coffee. Do you want coffee treat? Here, Mom. Have a little treat of coffee. Mommy, mine.
So tasty. What is with the lip? Oh, that's funny. Share it with Sissy. Give Sissy her coffee back. Give this one back to Sissy.
Okay.
You do it? Okay.
Understood.
Thanks, Bobby. Say thank you. You don't want any coffee. Coffee's on your head. Here you go, sis. Give this back to Give this back to Ryan. Sissy's gonna give it to you. Thank you. What, whiny? Really? Really? It's like that?
No.
Well, if it's not like that, then why are you whining?
Because she's whining about this.
Just like you were.
I love that.
You scream like a girl. I'm sorry, baby. You guys gotta share. You got a magic wand? Show Mommy the magic wand.
I need to make it in here.
So beautiful.
I need to make some. I need to make some with Dad.
So beautiful. I love your magic wand. You combing your hair with it? Oh, you sharing with Sissy? Thanks, Bobby. Peanut butter jelly? Is that what she's gonna make?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna make.
Okay. As long as you're sure.
Mama, I love that. Here you go.
Really?
No!
You tell her. You can collapse.
What happened to you, boo-boo?
Mommy's got a cut. Yeah. That'll be okay.
Oh. That's fine.
Thanks, Sissy.